Welcome. Thanks for joining me. Today, day 1 of the Mavic Loop. What on earth's a Mavic Loop, I hear you ask? Well, it's a tubular loop, 6 foot in diameter, that lays on or close to the floor, surrounding one of my large-scale radio control models. And this is because the drone dolly was ineffective for the presentation of the large-scale radio control models. It was ineffective. It just didn't present them in a way I wanted. So, another creation. What is it? It's a circular steel ring, 6 foot in diameter, which happens to be correct for the focal length of the camera that I'm using. So if I mount a camera on a carriage that I'll also have to create, if I mount a camera on a carriage with the radio control model in the center of the ring, it'll be at the correct focal point to include all of the model, not chopping off its nose or wheels or anything. It's just a case of positioning, setting up the camera initially, and then moving the carriage around the ring of steel. The camera I'm going to be using is the camera suitably gimbal mounted on my brilliant DJI Mavic Pro drone. Researching various cameras, I've arrived at this one as being the optimum quality and stability. Handheld still cameras say they're optimized for still stabilization, but when it comes to video they just don't come up to scratch, and that's how I end up choosing a drone with a 4K gimbal camera. We've seen the hoop, we've seen the carriage, we've seen the drone. Let's have a look at that super smooth test footage. Hope you enjoy it. Well, that's day one of the build complete. I'm very pleased with the way the carriage has come together, and the end result is super smooth. So, thanks for joining me. Join me again soon for more progress.